Good morning, traders. Well, I say good morning because on our side it's 9 a.m. So yeah, I'm sitting here with my coffee. Okay, let's get to it. I was looking at gold. So on my side, my long term, it's a sell. So I'm selling for in a long term side. So goal for me is this little thing, yeah, this thing right there. This is a no trade zone. This I don't know what this is. Consolidation. This is a no trade zone. If you're not in a trade already, so if you're not in a trade, this is a no trade zone. Don't trade. Uh, let's remove this. I just want to see something on the line chart. So why I'm saying gold is in a this right here, price rejected from here, and then it came back, touched there, and came back, touched again. So this is a zone. Another zone, I'll put it right here because price. Oh, sorry, I nearly went up. Another zone, I'll put it right here because price came rejected here, touched here. Yeah, I'll say this is a zone. And I can't go left because its gold is high. Zone is high. But yeah, and then I'll say this under. There are stops here underneath. Okay, fix it because it's a daily. I'll go with this. What's this line? This color? Is it orange? Yeah, this is yellow, so this is might be orange. Yeah, anyway, I'll go with that orange color. There's liquidity at the bottom here, and then another obvious one is the high. High has liquidity at the top there. There's liquidity sitting here and here. Remember, this we said are support and resistance zones. So let me go to my candles. So yeah, as you can see, this is what I was saying, that this in the middle here, it's a no trade zone. Price is busy ranging, going down, taking out this low, and then going up, taking out this high, yeah, then coming back. It's just in the middle. It's indecisive. Let's go down and check. So with price being in a range, it gives us a way to say, if price, it gives us two scenarios. If price breaks from this zone, this 4020, if price breaks this zone, it should come back, retest it, and then look for another retest, and then go down again. So let's go back to a daily and see Where can we go? Well, it did from this resistance here. It did bounce on this resistance. So for us to be safe, we'll just pick, yeah. You can hold maybe for this resistance if uh, you can hold for this resistance if you are a swing trader. You trust yourself with holding gold. That is because gold can be volatile at times. You can hold towards this resistance. If you don't hold for long, you can use this one. You can use this one. If price breaks, let's say it comes to this low here, it bounces, it bounces from this low and then retests and then goes back to here. So let's look at the top part. If price breaks it, I'll choose here as support now, or the resistance still. I don't know. The terms support and resistance, they always get me. So they do bounce, retest, and then go up. Then here we might take the high as a target. Here the target, you might take this low right here as a target. Yeah, we might take this. You might put it there, but it's gold, man. Gold can misbehave. Let's go down to H4 and see. Yeah, I might take it down a bit because there's something I'm seeing here. I'll show you now. Take it to this. Let's use red because for our, let's use the red one. Red, I know you. I know you're red. Because these two, if you can check this, you will use red because it's 4 hours. This one is for the day. My phone is pop. Notifications, but I know I'll see it late. These two, there is a small change the color for H4. This two there, they have liquidity because there is what you there's they are okay. Sorry, I was just checking my phone ish because it's irritating me just to think of there's a notification that's there. All right, these two candles underneath there's liquidity. They are equal. So there's liquidity. So that's why I'm saying gold might go down to this H4 resistance support. So we might go here as our target. So if it goes up, let's say if it goes up, okay, yeah, we will take this where it bounces, comes back, goes up, then you might take this because it's resistance there. Support and resistance. I need to study these two things. What is support? What is resistance? That's it. I check it and then next week I forgot. The following week. Yeah, so this is what I see on gold. I can see on gold. Let's say our target, if it goes up, it's somewhere there. Let's check H1. Okay. Alright. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing on gold at the moment. So at the moment we are still in the middle. One might use trend lines. Oh, the trend lines are descending trend lines. Someone might use trend lines like this and say from this, let's see, I wanna check. So according to this, uh, gold is came from here. This leg went up, and if you can check the DRT thing, gold came down and closed just underneath the 75. Oh, it didn't close underneath it. It came down, filled this, it touched this order block because the last one going towards the bottom is touched it under the 75 discount, and it didn't close underneath it. The candles, the body of the candles, they didn't go underneath. So according to DRT, the 75 has been touched. Gold will go up to this. Gold will go up according to DRT. We might see this happening. If this one, because if it goes up, then it might hit my break even if it goes up. So yeah, break even will be hit if it goes up, but then I can open a buy for this target, and then I still have my sell that I'm going to get in, a long term long run sell that I'm going to get in. But when gold reaches this target, I'll have to recheck what price has printed, if that sell is still valid or not. I'll have a check. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at gold at the moment. And according to DRT, gold has retraced that's towards that 75 discount, and now it's gonna head up. So yeah, anyway guys, that's my intake for gold for now. So for me, this is my last trade for this year, 2025. Meaning on Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, I'm going away with the missus. So my trading station I'll leave behind. I'll check on trading view if we went for the top target. And then if we did, then I know that I'm coming on selling now. That's after I've checked what the candles are printed, if that sale is still valid. Because I know the missus does not want the vacation to be busy. I'll be busy on charts while we are on vacation. She doesn't want interruptions. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna leave it for this year. I still have my Euro USD sell, my long term trade on Euro USD. This one, I still have this one. My TP is on this 10085. Let's see. Yeah, it's here at the moment. So yeah, I still have my sell here. So that I'll be keeping, and I will be looking at gold. So with that said, guys, those who are still will be still trading for the rest of the year. Guys, good luck. I'll be back next year. So good luck with the trading, and we'll see you again next year. But I'll be keep checking on TradeView how it goes.